Welcome to AI Lifestyle, where we explore the intersection of technology and creativity. Today we're diving into something that's been generating a lot of buzz lately. How is AI changing the world of art? Is it enhancing creativity, or is it replacing it? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence has been steadily making its way into the world of the arts, from visual art, music, literature, to even film and theater. With its ability to analyze patterns, process data, and generate entirely new pieces, AI is revolutionizing how we think about creativity. But what does this mean for traditional artists? One important distinction to make is that AI, at least for now, isn't replacing artists, it's enhancing their creativity. Take for example AI-powered tools like Adobe's Sensei or DeepArt. These programs assist artists in streamlining workflows, generating ideas, and even finishing pieces that might have taken hours by hand. The artwork still stems from the vision of the human artist. The AI is the assistant, helping with the technical side of things. One of the most famous examples of AI-generated art is Edmond de Belamy, created by the Paris-based art collective AIVA. The artwork was generated using a machine learning algorithm called GAN, Generative Adversarial Networks. What's interesting is that while the AI created the image, the collective curated the data it learned from, essentially acting as the director of the project. It sold for an astonishing price, making the art world question, can AI art be as valuable as human-created art? 4. AI and music composition. Visual art isn't the only space where AI is making waves. AI is also stepping into the music industry. Software like Amper Music and AIVA AI can compose original tracks, sometimes in just minutes, based on input tempo and genre. Again, these tools are often used as assistants. Musicians can use AI to lay down the groundwork, but the human touch, the nuance and emotion, still plays a significant role in refining and completing the track. 5. AI in literature and storytelling. In literature, AI is also making an impact. Tools like GPT-3, the predecessor of GPT-4, are capable of generating text that resembles human-written prose. Some authors use these tools for brainstorming or overcoming writer's block. AI can offer plot suggestions, dialogue prompts, or even entire chapters. But like visual arts, the AI isn't replacing authors. It's being used as a creative collaborator, helping writers explore new ideas. AI and creative authenticity, a debate. But with AI becoming a more prominent tool in the arts, there's a growing debate. Can art created with or by AI be considered authentic? After all, art is often viewed as an expression of human emotion, culture, and experience. Purists argue that AI can't create art with soul because it lacks, but others claim that AI-generated art is a new form of expression, born from our own creative input into machines. Real-world applications of AI in arts. AI has also found its way into performance art and interactive installations. Take, for example, the collaboration between AI and human dancers at Google's AI experiments. Here, AI analyzes the movements of human dancers in real time, generating its own choreographies in response. This isn't just art for art's sake, it's changing how audiences interact with creative performances. What does the future hold? So what does the future hold for AI in the arts? Will we see more AI-generated masterpieces hanging in galleries? Or will AI primarily remain a tool for human artists to push creative boundaries? One thing is for sure, AI isn't going away. As technology continues to evolve, so will its role in creative industries. Conclusion. At the end of the day, AI in the arts is just another evolution of creativity. Just like how photography, film, and digital painting change the way we create, AI is another tool that opens up new possibilities. It's up to us, human artists, musicians, and writers, to decide how we use it to shape the future of art. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the intersection of AI and creativity. Drop a comment below. What do you think about AI-generated art? Does it inspire or concern you? Let's talk.